Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to get shortlisted by recruiters on LinkedIn in 2026. So many people struggle with this, and honestly, it's not that complicated once you know the steps. First, your LinkedIn profile is super important. Make sure you have a clear professional photo, a headline with keywords, and a summary that highlights your skills and achievements. Recruiters usually search with keywords, so using the right ones is crucial. Next, add your skills and get endorsements. Focus on your top skills and ask colleagues or friends to endorse them. This helps recruiters notice you faster. Also, showcase your projects and accomplishments. Quantify results if possible, like increased sales by 30% in 3 months. This makes your profile stand out. Recommendations also help. Ask former managers or professors to give short recommendations about your work ethic and skills. Then, set your job preferences on LinkedIn. Turn on Open to Work and specify roles, locations, and job types. This signals recruiters that you're ready for opportunities. Networking is key. Connect with people in your industry, comment on posts, and join relevant groups. This increases your visibility. Also, apply strategically, tailor your resume to the job description, and include relevant keywords. Finally, post updates about your work or insights, respond quickly to messages, and keep your profile updated regularly. These small steps make a big difference in getting shortlisted. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you have any questions.